we learn about mixture, pure substances, types of mixture, method of separation. Today we learn about separating insoluble solids from liquids, in that insoluble substances. Insoluble substances that are heavier substances that cannot be soluble in water. They will be called as insoluble substances. For example, water in grains. Water in grains cannot be soluble in water. Grains cannot be soluble in water. Soluble substances. So what in water they will be soluble. For example, salt, sugar, they will be soluble in water. They will be called as soluble substances. So in that, sedimentation and decantation. Sedimentation and decantation. Insoluble substances which are heavier than water, that can be separated by sedimentation and decantation. Sedimentation. Sedimentation is the process in which heavier particles of an insoluble solids in a liquid settle down. The particles that settle down form the sediments. Decantation is the process of pouring out of the liquid without disturbing the sediment. We will do one activity. To separate a mixture of sand and water by sedimentation and decantation. Take a beaker of water. How to take beaker of water? And mix a little sand on it. How to add sand? Stir the mixture. You have to stir it afterwards. So this is a mixture of sand and water. Allow the mixture to stand for a few minutes. You have to wait for 30 minutes. All heavy particles, higher particles, they will be settled down. No? So you have to wait for few minutes. The heaviest sand particles will settle down at the bottom of a beaker. That one you call it as sediment. That heavier particles settle down at the beaker, no? That you call it as sediment. This process you known as sedimentation. Slowly pour the water into another beaker. Slowly, you have to slowly pour the water into another beaker. Cannot disturb the sediment. Slowly pour the water into another beaker. The sediment is coming now, so you have to stop pouring the water. This you known as sediment. So you have pouring water. So this process you call it as decantation. Pour the water into another beaker. Do not disturb the sediment in the bottom. No, this bottom you cannot disturbing. No, this process is known as decantation. Next, filtration. To separate tea leaves from tea, you pour the tea through a strainer, which is a plastic wire or a plastic mesh or a cotton. Give pure cotton, that one also you have to use. The tea leaves are left behind in the strainer and the liquid flows out. This process is known as filtration. This is a tea decoction. You have to separate tea leaves from tea decoction. This is a strainer. This is a strainer. So you have to pour the tea through using strainer. You have to pour tea decoction to another glass. You have to slowly pour the tea to another glass. So what will you have to see here? The tea leaves are left behind in the strainer. You can see here strainer you have tea leaves and liquid flows out down in the glass. This is known as filtration. This process is known as filtration. To separate a mixture of sand and water by filtration, take some muddy water. You have to take some muddy water in a beaker. Take a circular piece of filter paper. You see, this is a circular piece of filter paper. So in this we have small holes is there. This is used in laboratory to filtration. It is used for laboratory to filtration. First you have to make one fold on it. This is called semicircle. You have to fold once. This is a semicircle. Again you have to fold like this. This is a quadrant in shape. In that first you have to one layer you have to one side and remaining three another side and make a cone. This is a funnel, a glass funnel. Place the filter paper cone in a funnel and add 2 or 3 drops of water. Add 2 or 3 drops of water. Next, you have to put in keep a beaker below the funnel. Pour the muddy water slowly into a cone. Pour the muddy water slowly. You have to pour it. Do not disturb in the mud particles. You can pour the muddy water. Pour the muddy water slowly into the cone. Slowly you have to pour the muddy water. Slowly you have to pour the muddy water. See, clear water flows down in a funnel and dust particles collect in the funnel. Clear water it will be flows down. You can do clear water will be flows down and mud particles will be settle in the filter paper. Filter water move down on a glass and filter paper you have mud particles present in filter paper. So children, today we learn about sedimentation, decantation and filtration. In that, sedimentation is the process in which heavier particles of an insoluble solid in a liquid settle down. The particles that settle down form the sediment. Decantation is the process of pouring out the liquid without disturbing the sediment. Decantation is the process of pouring out the liquid without disturbing the sediment. Next,